Now see the second exercise. Here you have to find out nouns and change them into their plural form. Okay, see the first sentence. An orange grows on a tree. An orange grows on a tree. Here an orange and a tree are noun. Both are noun. Now we have to change them into their plural form. Both are in singular form. An orange and a trees. Both are singular noun. So we have to change them into their plural form. Okay, so an orange. Here one orange. An orange means one orange. So here we have to cut down n. And what is the plural form of orange? Orange, oranges. Okay, so add s. Orange and orange and oranges. So instead of an orange you have to write down oranges. Grows. So here the verb is grows. So verb ની પાછળ શું લાગ્યું છે જુઓ s and es. When verb ની પાછળ s or es લાગ્યું હોય then it is from which tense? In the last stanza we have seen that. કેટલા જણે યાદ છે s or es લાગ્યું હોય તો from which tense of this sentence? આ sentence કયા tense નું છે? Very good. It is from, this sentence is from simple present tense. Very good. So in simple present tense, when our noun is from singular third person, then we have to add s or es in its verb. એના verb સાથે આપણે શું લગાવવું પડે? s or es. Singular third person means he, she and it. યાદ છે બધાને? He, she, it and one name. Very good. He, she, it and one name. Here orange. Orange એ શું છે? One name. So એ શેની અંદર ઇન્ક્લુડ થશે? Singular third person. ઓકે, સો સિંગ્યુલર થર્ડ પર્સન હતું એટલે અહીંયા વર્બની અંદર શું આવ્યું? એસ. ઓકે, બટ આપણે એને શેમાં ચેન્જ કરીશું? સિંગ્યુલર થર્ડ પર્સનને પ્લ્યુરલ થર્ડ પર્સન. સિંગ્યુલર થર્ડ પર્સનમાંથી શું બની જશે? પ્લ્યુરલ થર્ડ પર્સન. ઓરેન્જીસ શું થઈ ગયું? પ્લુરલ થર્ડ પર્સન. સો વિથ અધર પર્સન we cannot add s or es in simple present tense. તો વર્બ કેવું આવશે? સિમ્પલ વર્બ. બીજા બધા ફોર્મ સાથે આપણે કેવું વર્બ મૂકીએ? સિમ્પલ વર્બ. બરોબર? ઓનલી સિંગ્યુલર થર્ડ પર્સન સાથે આપણે કયું વર્બ મૂકશું? એસ ઓર ઇએસ વાળું વર્બ. જ્યારે બીજા બધા પર્સન સાથે ફર્સ્ટ પર્સન, સેકન્ડ પર્સન એન્ડ પ્લ્યુરલ પર્સન એ બધા સાથે આપણે શું મૂકીશું? સિમ્પલ વર્બ. ઓકે, એન્ડ સિંગ્યુલર થર્ડ પર્સન સાથે જ ઓનલી એસ ઓર ઇએસ. ઓકે, સો અહીંયા સિંગ્યુલર થર્ડ પર્સનનું પ્લુરલ થઈ ગયું. સો આપણે શું કાઢી નાખવું પડશે? એસ ઇએસ કાઢી નાખવાનું. અહીંયા ઓનલી એસ છે. સો વી હેવ ટુ કટ ડાઉન એસ. તો વર્બ શું આવશે? ગ્રો. સો વર્બ ઓનલી શું થઈ જશે? ગ્રો. સો ઓરેન્જીસ ગ્રો on now a tree. A tree means one tree. So we have to change them into their plural form. It is trees. A tree no plural શું થશે? Trees. Okay, so what is the sentence now? Oranges grow on trees. Oranges grow on trees. Okay, so at first copy down the sentence and then its plural form. Second line માં શું આવશે? એનું plural form લખવાનું and copy the whole sentence. Okay, now second sentence. And apple has a sweet taste. And apple has a sweet taste. Here what is the noun? An apple. What is the noun here? An apple. apple. So an apple means one apple. An apple means one apple. So we have to cut down n. So શું આવશે? apples. So apple નો plural form શું આવશે? apples. It is also from singular third person. So here added has. An apple એ શું છે? singular third person. એક એપલ છે. શો સિંગ્યુલર થર્ડ પર્સન સાથે શું એડ થશે? હેઝ. ઓકે, સો હેઝનું અહીંયા આપણે એપલનું શું બનાવી દીધું? એપલ્સ. સો ઇટ ઇઝ શું બની ગયું? પ્લુરલ થર્ડ પર્સન. શું થઈ ગયું? પ્લુરલ થર્ડ પર્સન થઈ ગયું. સો વી કેન નોટ એડ વિથ પ્લુરલ થર્ડ પર્સન હેઝ. સો હેઝનું શું થઈ જશે? હેવ. વેરી ગુડ. હેઝનું શું થઈ જશે? હેવ. સો ઇન્સ્ટેડ ઓફ હેઝ you have to add here have. So apples have a sweet taste. બાકીનું સેન્ટેન્સ જેવું છવું જ રહેશે. Apples have a sweet taste. Okay. Now see the third sentence. A handkerchief is made of a piece of cloth. A handkerchief is made of a piece of cloth. Here a handkerchief is a noun and it is also singular third person. One handkerchief છે. So a handkerchief ના જગ્યા ઉપર શું થઈ જશે? We have to change it from plural. Okay, so cut down a and write down handkerchiefs. પાછળ શું લગાવી દેવાનું? s. Okay, handkerchiefs. And here is given. Why is? Because આગળ શું હતું? એનું સિંગ્યુલર થર્ડ પર્સન હતું. સો સિંગ્યુલર થર્ડ પર્સન સાથે ટુ બીનું રૂપ કયું આવશે? is. Okay, so it is also from which tense? It is also from simple present tense. And which are the to be's of simple present tense? am, is, are. So અહીંયા કયું આવશે? when handkerchief આવશે. handkerchiefs તો પ્લુરલ થઈ જશે. so cut down is and write down are. are is the to be form from plural. Okay, so handkerchiefs are made of pieces cut down and pieces of cloth. A piece na jagya upar pieces of cloth. Okay, so handkerchiefs are made of pieces of cloth. Now see the fourth sentence. He can write a letter in ink or with a pencil. So here he is also from singular third person. He, she, it and one name, they are singular third person. So he is also singular third person. And when we change it in plural third person, so શું બની જશે? It change they. યાદ આવ્યું? The whole table. How many of you remember the whole table of persons? Very good. So let's repeat. ચાલો જેને આવડે એને બધાએ બોલવાનું છે. Let's repeat from the first person. So first person singular I. First person plural we. Second person singular you. Second person plural you. Third person singular he, she, it and one name. Third person singular he, she, it and one name. And third person plural they. So here he is given. he singular છે. so plural શું થઈ જશે એનું? they. So instead of he you have to add here they. So they can write, instead of a letter you have to write here letters. A letter is singular noun and in plural noun you have to write here letters. Okay, So they can write letters in ink or with a pencil is also singular. So you have to change it plural. So a pencil નું plural શું થશે? Pencils. Very good. So they can, what is this whole sentence? They can write letters in ink or with pencils. They can write letters in ink or with pencils. Okay. Now see the fifth sentence. A motorway is a fast road for a motor car. A motorway is a fast road for a motor car. So a motorway, it is also singular. So we have to change it from plural. So a motorway, at first write down a, and motorways, write down motorways. So plural થઈ ગયું motorways. So we have to use here plural to be. Is એ શું છે? Singular નું to be છે. So we have to cut down is and write down plural to be are. So motorways are, cut down a, cut down a. So fast roads for a motor car. So cut down a and write down motor cars. Okay, so what is the whole sentence? Motorways are fast roads for motor cars. Motorways are fast roads for motor cars. Okay, so now let's see the sixth sentence. We can make a cake with flour, milk and an egg. So we is already, it is plural first person. So we have to not change it. It is also plural noun. So we can make a cake. Here a cake is singular. So we have to change them into plural. So what is the plural form? A cake. Instead of a cake, we have to write cakes. Very good. Plural શું થશે? A cake નું cakes. So we can make cakes with flour, milk and an egg. So what is an egg? Is a singular thing. So we have to change them into plural. So an egg. So instead of an egg, what we have to write? Eggs. Very good. So instead of an egg, we have to write here eggs. So what is the whole sentence? We can make cakes with flour, milk and eggs. Okay, now see the third exercise. Here you have to correct the sentences. Some form of sentences are not given correctly, so you have to find out them and correct them. So see the first sentence. You have hurt my feeling. Here you have hurt my feeling. Here feeling is not correct. It is wrong word. You can say that you have hurt my feelings. You have hurt my feelings. Okay, so feeling is wrong word. You have to write here feelings. So see the second one. Your hairs are black. Your hairs are black. Here it sounds something wrong. Hairs. Hairs. We cannot say that hairs. It is hair. It is hair. Your hair is black. Hairs plural થયું. So we have to add here plural form are, plural to be form are, and when we write a singular form, then we have to write here singular to be, and singular to be is. Is singular to be. Is એ શું છે? Singular to be છે. So જ્યારે hairs નું આપણે શું કરી દેશું? hair. તો અહીંયા આરની જગ્યા ઉપર શું મૂકવું પડશે? ઇઝ. ઓકે, બીકોઝ હેર ઇઝ સિંગ્યુલર પર્સન. સો સિંગ્યુલર પર્સન સાથે સિંગ્યુલર ટુ બી, એન્ડ સિંગ્યુલર ટુ બી કયું છે? ઇઝ. ઓકે, સો યોર હેર ઇઝ બ્લેક. It is right sentence. Your hair is black. Okay, now see the third one. My parent went out for a walk. My parent went out for a walk. Here see the parent, word parent is incorrect. Why? Because meaning of parent, what is the meaning of parent? Our father and mother. So we are talking about two person. When we are talking about two person, we cannot use them into singular thing. Okay, singular person. So parent is singular person, while we are talking about plural, two person. બે વ્યક્તિઓ વિશે આપણે વાત કરતા છે, તો આપણે એને સિંગ્યુલર પર્સનમાં નહીં મૂકી શકીએ. Okay, so we have to use here parents. Why parents? Because they are two person, our father and mother. So we have to put here s. We have to put here s, parents. So my parents went out for a walk. It is right sentence. Now see the fourth one. Real friend always help each other. The sentence is real friend always help each other. What is the wrong part? See, friend is given here, but in this sentence we are talking about general friend. We are not talking about one particular friend or one particular person. Okay, so we cannot write here only friend. When we are talking about in general બધા friend વિશે વાત કરતા હોય, so then we cannot say that one friend, then we can say that friends. Okay, so real friends, આપણે બધા ફ્રેન્ડ વિશે વાત કરતા છે, તો જનરલમાં વાત કરતા છે, તો ત્યારે આપણે શું કહી શકીએ? રિયલ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ always help each other. Real friends always help each other. That is the right sentence. So now see the fifth one. She bought some furnitures for her room. Here furnitures is wrong word. Furnitures is wrong word. Why? Because the quantity of furniture is given before. આગળ આપ્યું છે some. You can see here some furnitures. We cannot say some furnitures. We have to say some furniture. Why we cannot say some furnitures? Because the quantity of furniture is given already before. આગળ આપ્યું છે as some word આપ્યો છે, એની અંદર આપણને એની ક્વોન્ટિટી મળે જ છે. So another time, second time we cannot add here s. Okay, so some furniture. So she bought some furniture for her room. That is the right sentence, not some furnitures. Furnitures is wrong word, and some furniture is right word. Okay, so cut down s. Now see the sixth sentence. You should listen to your teacher's advices. You should listen to your teacher's advices. Here advices is wrong word. Why? See the translate at first. તમારે તમારા ટીચરની સલાહો સાંભળવી જોઈએ. સલાહો સાંભળવી જોઈએ. See advices, સલાહો સાંભળવી જોઈએ. It sounds something wrong. Why? Because આપણે એવું કહી શકીએ કે આપણે ટીચરની સલાહ સાંભળવી જોઈએ. So here teachers advise, not advises. Okay, so teachers advise is right. You should listen to your teachers advice. Okay, this is right sentence and not advises. Okay, so this is the answer. I hope you all understand in all exercises. Now take care, students.